Today, inside Spotify Camp Nou, exciting construction progress is unfolding. Concrete is now being poured at level 80 as the compression ring structure moves closer to completion. In the Tribuna section, crews are welding and adjusting key structural elements high above the stands. Third-tier seating is rapidly being installed, while diamond-pattern glass panels are appearing across the facade. Stay with us as we take you through today's latest construction update from the future home of FC Barcelona. Work continues in the main entrance facade area of Spotify Camp Nou, where crews are installing metal connectors between the upper glass panels. The remaining glass units above the entrance doors are already staged and ready for installation. Once these final pieces are secured, this entrance facade section will be close to completion, with materials on site to support the next finishing phase. The Tribuna side shows stronger activity. Sandwich panels are being installed, and new prefabricated seating sections have arrived on site. Lifting platforms are active in the upper Tribuna, where workers are carrying out welding and fastening tasks. This phase appears focused on reinforcing and fine-tuning structural elements ahead of enclosure work. In Gol Norte, teams are applying finishing material along the black truss beams behind the llama support line. But interior scaffold activity remains strong and the structure appears well advanced. In the adjacent corner, workers are adjusting structural beams and aligning sandwich panels. One remaining gap confirms a final panel is still pending. Protective coverings are being removed gradually, signaling a transition from installation to finishing and detailing work. On the lateral side, previously delivered radial beams and the main compression ring pillar remain staged at ground level. Concrete pumps are present but inactive, while upper-level crews continue preparing compression ring components along the third cantilever tier. Significant quantities of llama elements remain stored along the lateral zone, alongside the crane designated for their installation. Meanwhile, recently poured slab sections are being reinforced and finalized following recent concrete works. Crews are installing temporary vertical safety barriers along exposed structural edges. Lifting platforms are active behind the llama supports, where fastening and tightening tasks are underway. In the Gol Norte corner, lifting platforms are active around the future elevator cores, and steel beams are being painted for protection. Newly installed glass panels have also been covered to prevent damage. Anchor points have been installed on the left side of the structure, both along brackets and lower supports, marking clear progress. These anchors will support the llama system, which is expected to be installed soon. Work continues on the upper levels, with welding visible on structural connections. Vertical union pieces for the false ceiling have not yet been added in this section, placing it slightly behind adjacent areas. Interior activity is present but limited. A tower crane is lifting additional prefabricated seating into place. The third tier in this corner is nearing completion, with only a few sections remaining. This represents consistent progress toward finalizing the upper bowl structure. Today's progress reflects steady technical advancement, focused mainly on façade finishing, structural preparation, and utility integration.